Welcome to episode 15 of the Magna Forex and the Analysis series. I will not start referring back to the previous video because it's getting too late where I am. So I'll just go straight into the analysis. Like always, we begin with Aussie dollar. Okay, for Aussie dollar currently, we have come down to 0.6673. 0.6673. So for Aussie dollar right now, we might begin to see a retracement back to 0.6750. And if that scenario does not play out, we might see Aussie dollar dropping from 0.6680 from current price down to 0.6600. So these are the two scenarios that I am expecting to play out on Aussie dollar. A retracement back to 0.6750. Once it does so, we might see a push down to 0.6650 to make a new lower low. If not 0.6650, we can use the Fibonacci to measure the target. So I can also show you how to use the Fibonacci. So if we are in a downtrend, we place the Fibonacci at the lower high. This is the lower high down to the lower low. We extend the Fibonacci down to the lower low. As for me, I start using the Fibonacci from the 61.8 and upwards. I do not use the 38.2 or the 50% Fibonacci level. So like it's showing, we might pull back to the golden ratio 61.8 and then come down to 0.6625, which is our potential target. If it begins to drop from here, we might see price come down to 0.6600, which is our target. From Aussie dollar, we head over to gold. Okay, gold has had some pretty good price action. If I can remember very well, in the previous Sunday analysis video, I was expecting price to go above 1970 because price has struggled to go above 1970, but we failed to do so. We eventually broke our previous higher low. We eventually broke our previous higher low, made the lower low, made the lower high, and then made our push to the downside. So currently for gold, as you can see, I'm expecting gold to begin to fall from here, 1923 current market price, down to 1900. So that's about 23 pips if I'm not mistaken. So that's my prediction for gold currently. For gold, I think there's an 80% chance this move might work out, but this is the forex market. If it doesn't do so, we might see price failing to reject 1930. I'm 80% confident that it will fail to go above 1930. I will make sure to keep you updated in the Telegram channel. If you'd like to join the Telegram channel, I'll leave the link in the description below. So in the Telegram channel, I post content on forex, content that will help you become better traders, viewing the market from the objective of a professional trader. Then I also give a bit of my chart breakdown and the trades that I'm entering. Though it's not a signal service, I just share my trades. If they align with your analysis, then you may be confident to open a trade. If they do not align, you may go ahead with your analysis. Like I always mention, your analysis is the best analysis, because even if you fail, you will learn where you went wrong. But if you copy someone's trade, you will not know where you went wrong. Yeah, I hope you understood that. So that's it for gold. We're not taking too much time on this episode. We are moving with time. Let's head over to Euro USD. Okay, for Euro USD, I'm expecting price to begin to fall from this level here. Current price 1.0914, because we had previous support at this level. So I'm expecting it to be resistance here. So if it does not find resistance here, we might come above, we might come up to 1.0958 or 1.0950. 1.0950. That's where we might see price coming. We might see price coming to 1.0950. Then if it comes to 1.0950, we might see a fall. Mark out these levels where I'm expecting price to begin to fall from. So from 1.0915 down to 1.0750, which has been a very significant level for EURUSD in the recent past. So we also mark 1.0950. Okay. So let us see how price develops. I'll make sure to update you guys in the Telegram channel. So this is the move I'm expecting on EURUSD. I am waiting for price to give me clear signals, and then I will execute the trade. When I execute a trade, I will make sure to post it in the Telegram channel. From EURUSD, we head over to US30. Okay, down to US30, we are on the 30-minute time frame. You can bear with me, because lately I have been taking day trades. Okay, for US30, it's visible to the eye. You can see that price is making a retracement. So you can see that price is making a retracement from 34,400, which has also been a very significant level for US30 in the recent past. So you can see from my previous Sunday analysis videos, you can see me mention 34,400 a lot. So right now, I'm expecting price to retrace back to this gap that we have here, because price usually, when price makes a gap, it usually comes back to fill in the gap and then reject from the gap. So as you can see, price has been making highs. So there's a potential that price may come find support here at 34,200. So make sure you keep an eye on this level here, 34,200. If we do not have a significant rejection from this level, we may see price come down to this demand zone here. As you can see, we have a block here, we have an order block here. Even though you can see, let me just add color for you guys so that you may just see. Okay, so as you can see, this is an order block. We had momentum, and this is where we experienced the gap. So currently we are having a retracement on US30. So keep your eye out for US30, those who trade US30. Okay, from US30 we head over to GBP USD. Okay, for GBP USD, we are also clear with this one. As you can see, price has been throwing wicks to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have about 6 weeks to the upside. So here we had a battle, we had a struggle, but eventually the bears look like they are gaining control. So for GBP USD, we have currently hit a significant level, or for significant level, where we have made resistance, but it looks like price is rejecting from the level because we are also throwing wicks to this level here. Very interesting price action developing. But like for Euro USD, I'm expecting GBP USD to drop, maybe down to 1.2650. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting GBP USD to come down to, because we also have a demand zone here, very significant demand zone here, and price has been making higher highs on the higher time frames, like the daily and the weekly. So probably this is just an intra-week retracement. Then we will have the continuation of the trend once we come to this this demand zone here. This demand zone here. So like as you can see, let me just go to the daily. So as you can see, oh, high, 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 high. Intra-week retracement, push to the upside. Intra-week retracement, push to the upside. We might even see price come down to 1.2600. So we'll see, wait and see how everything develops. I'll make sure to keep you posted in the Telegram channel. So keep your eye out for a drop to the downside, GBP USD. Be vigilant. Be vigilant. I don't expect it to go above this arrow here, 1.27340. I don't expect it to go above the arrow there. But this is the market. Anything can happen. So wait and see what will happen. From GBP USD, we go to the dollar index, DXY. Okay, for the dollar, I've decided to put it in color. I'll make a video explaining why I use the black colors. So bear with me for now. I do not have time to actually go into detail. I'll just create a separate video of why I put black candles. I actually learned this from Sean Lee. Okay, currently for the dollar, as you can see, we had a trend line break, we had a structure break, so price is just giving us bullish signal right now. We are just having a bullish signal with price. So since it's late, it's around 7 p.m. London time, so the markets are a bit quiet. So we'll see how a London session will go tomorrow for Euro USD and for the dollar as well. So we'll see how the dollar will unfold during the London Open. So currently, the way things are looking, I am expecting price to find support at this current price level, 102.8. So yeah, I'm expecting price to find support here, and then from here, next targets probably 103.60. Yeah, 103.60 next targets, breaking these highs here. For this one, we don't even need to go to the lower time frames because the higher time frames are more significant. Then scenario B, if we don't actually find support here, we might come down to 102.40, and that's where we can find support. And that's where we can find support if scenario A does not play out. So scenario B is also aligning with the golden number 61.8. So anything can happen. We can see we have confluence here for this level. We also have confluence here for this level. So anything can happen. All we just have to do is identify the criteria for entry, and from there we can make a decision. The market will then decide if our decision was in the direction of the market or against the direction of the market. All we do in forex is predict the direction of the market, and we do so with technical analysis alongside fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis, for those that do not know fundamental analysis, this is analysis of the news. So most of the news releases, like GDP growth of a country, unemployment rates of a country, and the inflation rate of the country's currency, are factors that affect the forex market. So some traders use fundamental analysis for trading. They solely depend on the news. If there's significant news being released on a specific currency, that is when they trade. From what I have experienced in trading is the market is 90% technical and 10% fundamental. The fundamental just boosts the market in the already made direction with technical analysis. So most of the time fundamental analysis aligns with technical analysis. So make sure to check your economic calendars every time before entering a trade to see how everything can play out. I'll make a video of how to do this, so make sure to stay tuned. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching the video this far. If you have gained any knowledge from the video, subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing the video can really help the channel grow and help other traders become successful in the markets. I'll leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description below, as well as the link to our Instagram page. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.